Good morning, or should I say good afternoon. It's 12:55. I'm editing this video right now, as a matter of fact, and I realized I didn't post an intro. Like, we just hopped right in. So just a quick heads up, this is my first time doing a weekly vlog. So my first time committing to like filming for the week. So I didn't do much. It's pretty anticlimactic, but we did it. We recorded it, we edited it, and if you see in this, we uploaded it. So we're just going to continue to be consistent. As we continue, we'll just get better, we'll grow, we'll find things that work out for us. So let's just shout out to the first weekly vlog, and hopefully many more. With that being said, sit tight, enjoy the video, like, comment, subscribe if you will, because we're a very small community over here. So if you want to come and join our community, by all means, subscribe. Anyway, with that being said, enjoy the video. Love you. Hey y'all. It is Sunday, 4/20 at 2:41. Excuse me, PM. I've been up, doing what I gotta do. Errands, I ate, and now I just feel like I need to do my nails. It's Sunday. The base is done. Now I just need to figure out a design, like how do I want to do my nails. I don't really know. I had a couple. I had one inspo pick, but now that I'm looking at it, I don't really want to do that. Like, it's like these bubbles. Yeah, so I looked in my accessory bin, all of my accessories, like my nail decals. I have a ton of them, all the gems and things like that. I don't know, but let's get to the nails, I guess. I don't know. Let's look at a couple things. I'm really not sure how I'm gonna do this. Let me figure it out, sort out like an actual like design plan. I might draw that out or something, and then I'll be back. As y'all can see, it's hours later. I did do one hand. Cute, dark blue, white. But I didn't do this hand. I just ran out of steam. I'm gonna finish my nails, but it's cute, like holding things, like very cute. So I'm gonna finish them. Am I gonna finish them tonight though? I don't know. That's the only thing. Good morning. Well, yeah, it's 11:43. It's Monday, April 21st. At 11:43 a.m. I was supposed to close out this vlog yesterday, but I realized that I started my nails and I didn't finish them. So this is the design that I went with. I'm okay with it. Like, it's not the best that I could do, but it's cute. The blue gives, the little tortoise shell. It's cute. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna finish that on camera. I just wanted to like hop in and say, I know, I need to do better. But this is like my first time like actually vlogging, finishing it, like the whole week, and ever. This is like my first weekly vlog. So big ups to me. Pat myself on the back for doing just that. I'm eating breakfast. I have some tea. This is raspberry leaf and ashwagandha, a tea blend that I made. And then, if you know me, to know me is to know that I love a good waffle. I would prefer to have like hash browns with it, but I don't have any hash browns. So just to backtrack, I didn't really vlog yesterday, but what I did is I went to the grocery store. I went to Trader Joe's. Yesterday was Easter, by the way, let me just say. And I don't know what happens in my mind, but I'll forget. Like, I'll know that it's the holiday, but I'll forget what comes with it. Like, stores close early, traffic, all of that, the whole shebang. So I chilled in the house for the most part. Sundays are like my chill day. Hold on, let me turn the PlayStation off because it's on. Boom, off. I want to switch around my gaming setup. I think I want to move it from, so this is my gaming setup. It's my game, my vanity, my makeup and such, and then this is my nail light that's still out from yesterday. I'm gonna leave it out because I have to do this hand, and that just reminds me that I need to finish my nails today. And then I have these 2 avocado plants here. I need to get rid of those avocado plants, and I might just move them. There's a spot in my living room that I can put them in, and I think that will be okay. It gets pretty sufficient light, but they don't like direct sunlight anyway, so I think this spot in my living room will be fine, and it's high enough away from Sage, which is my cat. He won't destroy them. Yeah, I have a couple other plants that need to be like rearranged, repotted, and such. So I might just do that today when I get off of work. Yeah, and I'm gonna try and vlog all of that. I'm in a pretty good mood. I need to close out this vlog so we can, so yeah, let me eat, finish work, and I'll talk to you probably when I'm doing my nails. I don't know, we'll see. I'll talk to y'all later. It's several hours later, and I did rearrange my desk. I cleaned my vanity, moved my gaming setup to here because it just makes more sense being right here. I moved the plants into my living room, and now that all of that is done, I have a couple minutes. I just had a meeting, but I got a couple minutes to just do my nails real quick. I actually just chipped this one. Very disappointed about. I'm just gonna build an edge real quick. Like, I'm gonna fix it. I'm just gonna dip it in some acrylic, cure it, and call it a day. Yeah. And now we pretty much have a tip. You see? It just needs to be filed and shaped. And just like that, it's fixed. Cute. Love them. Very cute. Pop of color is just something to catch your eye. I like to talk with my hands, so it's like, oh, and you can, and la la la. And then when I have my rings on, very cute, very, very cute, very fun and cute. Yo, I'm so annoyed. Let me turn this off before I get copyrighted. I bought a car mount. It said delivered, bitch, and it's not delivered. I'm trying to ask my friend if she, because it got delivered to her house, and it said in or at mailbox. Maybe it got delivered in the mailbox and she picked it up thinking it was like hers. So I'm just waiting for her to respond to that. In the meantime, I'm going to the beauty supply store so I can get some more of these like headbands because I like them. Good morning. Hold on. Good morning. Hello, hello, hello. I got my phone mount, my car mount. Love that, love her. Right now I'm just waiting for my car to warm up. I need to get my oil changed, so we definitely gonna let it warm up. I'm not taking no risks and just pulling off. So I'm going to work, from 9 to 5. And after work, I'm going to... Oh, look at my nails. They're so cute. I wish I put my rings on. After work, I'm going to the gym. So after work, I'm gonna come home, get dressed, and then go to the gym. I twisted the front of my hair, not all of it, just like some, just to refresh it. And then when I took the scarf off, I'm like, oh, I like the shape. So I'm leaving twisted. I might take them out later, who knows? If I look at myself too much and I don't like it, I'll probably take it out. But right now, it's cute. So no complaints. You need to turn. What you waiting for? Oh, somebody crossing the street. I was about to say. And she pushing a stroller. So let me. Anyway, good morning. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. I might pop in while I'm at work. Who knows? But I got my car mount. I'm very happy and proud and thankful for that. It's so cute. It works out perfectly. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. So, yeah. Bye. Y'all, why the car mount, tripod, whatever I bought yesterday, why the car mount I bought, I ordered off a TikTok shop, why did it just stop working? It hasn't even worked for 20. I used it this morning. I set it up, I put it up this morning, and now it's not working. But I have my old car mount, and surprisingly, it's sticking. It might not stick for long, but it's up there. So we're not gonna complain. We're not gonna complain at all. I just had to come in and say that. Update, I did not go to the gym today. I went to the pet store, got cat litter, and came home. I played the game for a couple hours with Emmanuel. I look so hit right now, like, oh my God. She don't wanna be saved, don't save me. I don't wanna be saved. Anyway, it is 1:30 a.m. and I have work in the morning. So good night. I'll see y'all. Good morning, vlog. Am I crooked? Maybe, I don't know. Good morning. I'm getting ready for work. It is Wednesday, April 23rd at 10:16 a.m. and I have work at 11. What I'm also thinking is I should edit while I'm at work, no? Like when I have some downtime, I should edit. There's no reason why I can't and why I shouldn't. So I'm about to pack my little electronics bag, get my laptop, get its charger, and we're going to edit while we're at work. So yeah, I'm here. Also downloaded CapCut because I heard the girlies was like editing on CapCut. So it's pretty good. So far, so good. It's kind of like iMovie, slightly. So it's not that hard to maneuver, like to get familiar with like the cut keys and things like that, split, whatever. So yeah, I'm doing that. And I'm about to leave out for work. So let me grab this stuff because I need to leave out in 10 minutes. So I'll check with y'all later. It's so nice. Like, I think it's literally like 70 degrees right now. Good morning. I'm ready for work. I'm just drinking my tea, my ashwagandha and mullein tea. And currently uploading a video. So if you're seeing this, go watch that. It's just a day in my life. Go watch it. Go watch it. I'm about to go. It's I need to leave in 4 minutes, so I'm about to down this tea, grab my stuff, and head out the door. By the time I get to work, this video should be uploaded. So yeah, anyway, toodles. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday. It's Friday, y'all. It's Friday. I'm at work. Well, I just pulled up to work. And surprisingly, I pulled up here on time. Like, well, it's 9:05 right now, but that's on time. I thought it was gonna be late. But we made it. Let's bust it out. I have a doctor's appointment, so I do leave a little bit early today. I leave at 2. But yeah, I don't know. I'm here. I put no effort into my appearance today, and I'm actually starting to regret it because I look real hit. Only because I woke up a little late. Like, I had work this morning at 9. I woke up at 7:45. Exactly. I woke up at 8 o'clock basically. And not even, I woke up at 7:45 and I sat in the bed staring off into the abyss for about 5 minutes. So really only had 30 minutes to get ready, hop in the shower, hop out, put clothes on, feed Sage, and leave. Anyway, yeah, I'm on my way home, and then I'm gonna go to my doctor's appointment. So enough of me looking like a hot mess, and enough of me sitting in this hot ass car. Bye. Bye. Appointment done, period. I didn't pick up the camera all day, but it's okay. Granted, I didn't do anything. I sat my ass in the house all day on my phone, doom scrolling. I know. But we are going out tonight. We're gonna go see Priyanka, DJ Priyanka, at Baby's Alright in New York. So we're gonna have a New York night. I almost forgot to show you guys my outfit. Just a little tube dress, my Converses, this vest, because I don't want to be too hot, and my leather jacket. I'm gonna put sweatpants on to walk out, because you know, I'm just a girl. Oh!